If you've been dealing with chronic health issues but can't seem to get to the bottom of it, there's a new exciting solution for you.
You could even get ahead of illnesses before they even become a problem. With cell testing, it's possible. Back to explain how this technology works is Dr. Leonard of Florida Wellness Medical Group. Welcome back again.
Thanks for having me. Happy Gasparilla.
Yeah,
Happy Gasparilla.
you too.
Indeed. The popular saying goes, an ounce of prevention worth a pound of cure. That's kind of what cell testing is all about.
Absolutely. So historically, in medicine, we're trained to manage diseases. So I don't know if you have that infographic of the tree of disease.
Yes, we do.
But if you can put that up. I really like this because imagine a tree, all of the branches, and on the branches are disease conditions.
Yeah.
Arthritis, cancer, heart disease. There are always root causes to it. Sometimes there's a genetic influence. A lot of times it's an environmental exposure, or what you're having in your diet, or you're a smoker, or what can go wrong. Well, in medicine, we're really thoroughly trained in the management of diseases, but we really don't pay enough attention to the prevention of them, the root causes of them. And cell testing allows us the ability to evaluate those before they become a disease process. So to find out how well your body treats certain things. So it's really a prevention test more than it is, are you disease test. We do ordinary disease testing, of course, when you give blood. But when we centrifuge the blood down, we look at plasma for disease, and we look at cells for the opportunity to prevent disease.
You want to take a look at the roots of that tree, focus on the roots of the tree before everything else happens.
Precisely.
So who can take advantage of cell testing?
Frankly, everybody. So vitamin D deficiency is known to be a driver of a lot of disease states, as well as now K2 is becoming more popular. So there are pediatric values to geriatric values. So it depends if you're 9 months or 90 years old. It's appropriate for everybody.
Is this something that's offered widely at many doctors' offices?
Unfortunately, no, and it goes back to training again. We're not really trained historically in the prevention and the active management of prevention of disease. We touch on it, but we really view that in medicine as a public health concern, not a medical concern. And this allows it to become a medical management versus a public health discussion.
This just seems like a no-brainer, right? This is something that, a doctor who offers this, you go to that doctor. Yeah.
So we would need a fundamental shift in how training is done on the medical level, but certainly this would be a great opportunity for everyone. All physicians, I challenge you to focus more on and emphasize prevention.
Of course.
But that's what Florida Wellness Medical Group is founded on, is evidence-based wellness is our slogan.
So before we go, if you do take the test, how long does it take to get the results and see where you go from there?
It's a comprehensive test similar to DNA testing, and it takes about 3 or 4 weeks for it to process. So you come in, we order the lab, we evaluate you, we do a physical, and then we send out the labs. A month later, we call you up and go over those outcomes.
But the test itself is short, right?
Correct. It's just a lab draw like you've ever done before.
And then you said you could use your insurance on this, right?
Correct. It's covered by insurance, but minus the copay.
All right. Doctor, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate you.
Again, for more information on cell testing, you can call 813-347-9720 or visit floridawell.com/WTSP for a special Great Day Live discount. We'll be right back.